Hi, I am Yasser Arfat. I am here with another maths video for class 10 CBSE students. I welcome all of you to this video. Triangles. We were discussing the topic Pythagoras theorem. There are three theorems in this topic you can see on the screen. And we were discussing some of the questions related to Pythagoras theorem. And today also we'll continue that, some more exercise related to Pythagoras theorem.
Okay, D and E are points on the sides CE and CB respectively of a right triangle ABC. Right triangle that is C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. D and E are the points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a right triangle ABC. Right triangle that is C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Okay, so we want to draw some picture based on the statement given in the question. Okay, name of the triangle is ABC. So I take ABC like this. Anyhow, you can take, no problem. Suppose this is a B, C, and in any order, no problem. C must be 90 degree. That's the point. D is a point is CA. So suppose D comes here. D comes here. And E is a point on CB. E is a point on CB. Then we want to prove this. We need AE. AE. So in the result, you look here, AE square. We need AE. So we can connect A and E so that we can form a right triangle named ACE, right? ACE is a right triangle. And we need BD. In the result, you look AE square plus BD square. So we need BD. So we can connect B and D so that we can form another right triangle BDC. DE is also there, right? So DE also we can connect. DE also. So we can form a third right triangle EDC. ABC, right triangle rectangle C, and E and D are some points on BC and AC. Connect BD, AE, and DE. Okay. Then applying Pythagoras theorem in those right triangles, I think we can reach into this result. So one is right triangles we can discuss. So first I take a small right triangle, the third one I have drawn the right triangle CDE or CED. Apply Pythagoras theorem in right triangle CED. What will come?
EE square equals
ED square is equal to ED, right? So in question it is D, so better you write D. DE square is equal to DC square plus
CE square.
CE square. Okay, C square. We write this like this. We will apply this in the last part. Okay. So next we can choose another right triangle AC. Right triangle AC. In right triangle AC, apply Pythagoras theorem.
A square.
AE square is equal to
AC square plus CE square.
AC square plus CE square. AC square plus CE square. Okay, in third right triangle, BDC, apply Pythagoras theorem. BD square is equal to CD or DC square plus CB square. CB square. Can we connect this in some way to getting the result? AB is here. Okay, if AB is there, then we want to take it. AB is here, right? Okay. So we want to choose that. So AB square is equal to what will Kaisha write here? AB square is equal to
AC square plus
AC square plus
BC square.
BC square. Okay. So actually here the second and third, there's a point. Subtracting this, I think we can reach in the first one. We can apply the first one. Okay. So suppose this is 1, this is 2. So let me do 1 minus 2 first. 1 minus 2. If it is not coming correct, we'll do some other thing. That's how we practice maths. Just try something. If it is coming some error, do the next one. Okay. So 1 minus 2, how will come? AE square. Let's just use subtract. AE square minus
minus BD square.
BD square is equal to the right side.
AC square.
AC square plus CE square minus
CD square plus CB square.
CD square minus CB square. This and that, these two terms minus this inside a bracket. Inside a bracket, I split the bracket. So when we split the minus, we'll go for both terms. Okay. So next line, this negative term you move to right, and this positive terms, the negative terms on right, you move to left. So how will come? AE square plus CD square plus CB square is equal to AC square plus CE square plus BD square. Any chance to apply first triangle and second, the fourth triangle? No?
No, sir.
Okay. If we add, is there any chance to apply first triangle and fourth triangle? I think if we add, there was a chance, right? So I think subtraction goes wrong. So I take a plus. I make it plus. Okay. Yes, because you look here. Here AC square is here. Here CB square is here. If you add these two, you will get AB square, right? Okay, and CE square plus CD square. If you add the CE square plus CD square, you will get a DE square, right? So you add this, you will get like this. So apply this result. What is AE square plus BD square? I write same. AE square plus BD square, I write same. AC square plus CB square, I write clause. Okay. Then plus next the remaining two, CE square plus CD square. Okay. So look here, AE square plus BD square is equal to, what is AC square plus CB square?
AB square.
AB square, the larger triangle, right? This is the relation. AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. So AC square plus CB is BC. Okay. BC square will goes to AB square. So we can substitute here AB square. Then plus what is CE square plus CD square?
DE square.
DE square. That's first right triangle, right? DE square is equal to DC square plus CE square. So we can substitute here DE square. Okay, this is what we want to prove, right? AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. So here we have applied 4 right triangles. So the large ABC, smallest one EDC, and AEC and BDC, and we applied Pythagoras theorem in all these 4 right triangles. And the AC, triangle ACE and triangle BCD, we added these 2 relations and we reached in the result. So after applying the Pythagoras theorem, you want to think from these values how we can reach in the result. Okay.